The Dassault Rafale is a 4.5 generation multi-purpose fighter aircraft originating from France. Reported by its official website, the aircraft made by Dassault Aviation has a twin-engine and delta wing. It is designed as a land-based aircraft, as well as on high-seas aircraft carriers. The Rafale is priced at a price range of 69 to 79 million euros, or around IDR 1.2 to 1.3 trillion per unit. The Rafale has agile maneuverability with a body length of 15.27 meters and a wingspan of 10.80 meters. Besides being agile, this aircraft is capable of carrying various types of missiles weighing 9.5 tons. Starting from air-to-air missiles to immobilize enemy jets, missiles to attack targets on the ground, enemy warships, submarines, can even be used to ambush and destroy long-range missiles. Regarding hiding in the air, this French-made Iron Bird can be compared to other aircraft in its generation. As a 4.5 generation fighter jet, the Rafale has a radar cross-section, RCS, which is much better than its peers. Rafale's special RCS makes it difficult for enemy radar to detect. When faced with advanced radar, this fighter aircraft is equipped with radar jamming which can disrupt enemy radar operations. Rafale aircraft with two XM-88 engines can reach a maximum thrust of 2 by 7.5 tons. With a maximum speed of 1389 km per hour. With a fuel payload of 6.7 tons, the Rafale has a cruising range of up to 3,700 kilometers. It also doesn't take up much space, enough with a 400-meter trajectory for the Rafale to take off and land. It is difficult to deny, the purchase of military equipment has its own impact on diplomatic relations between countries. The French Air Force and Navy are the main users of this aircraft. Apart from Indonesia, several countries also use the Dassault Rafale to strengthen their air forces. These countries include Qatar, Egypt, and India. The Su-35S, dubbed the Flanker E, is a Russian-made aircraft designed from the Su-27 Flanker. First commissioned in 2007, the aircraft can be matched with US-made aircraft such as the F-15 Eagle, F-18 and F-35 Lightning II. The Su-35S is 21.9 meters long, 5.9 meters high and has a wingspan of 15.3 meters. This plane is manned by one person. The aircraft has a gross weight of 23,500 kilograms, and a maximum takeoff weight, MTOW, of 34,500 kilograms. The aircraft is equipped with a 2x Saturn AL-41F1S after-burning turbofan engine. The engine is capable of making the plane go up to Mach 2.25 or 2,400 km per hour. The plane is capable of climbing at a speed of 280 meters per second. Reporting from Military Machine, the aircraft is capable of flying with a maximum altitude of up to 18 kilometers. The aircraft can accommodate a fuel load of up to 11,500 kilograms and is capable of carrying weapons of up to 8,000 kilograms. The aircraft is capable of flying at a distance of up to 3,600 kilometers. Not only that, citing Rosoberone export, the Su-30 MKK is equipped with a 30mm Griasov Shipanov GSH-30-1 autocannon, S-25 rockets, air missiles, ground missions, anti-ship missiles and bombs such as the laser-guided KAB-500L and the KAB-1500L laser-guided bomb. The Boeing F-18 has several variants, namely the F/A-18E single seat and the larger and larger F/A-18F tandem seat. The more profitable the F/A-18C and D Hornet advanced derivatives. Even the Super Hornet has an internal 20mm gun and can carry air-to-air missiles and air-to-surface weapons. Additional fuel can be applied with up to 5 external fuel tanks, and the aircraft is configurable as an air tanker by adding an external aerial refueling system. The Super Hornet was designed by McDonnell Douglas, which was then flown in 1995. The aircraft was in full production starting in September 1997, following the merger between McDonnell Douglas and Boeing the previous month. The Boeing F/A-18 Super Hornet is a fighter and attack aircraft that strengthens the unity of the U.S. Navy. The Super Hornet, which is a new model aircraft, is similar to some systems from the F/A-18C D Hornet. Meanwhile, the Boeing F/A-18E/F Super Hornet type is a fighter and attack aircraft that strengthen the unity of the U.S. Navy. Some of the developments carried out on the Super Hornet Block 3 include the presence of a touchscreen on the cockpit dashboard with a size of 19 inches. The all-sophisticated cockpit system has replaced the button and knob models, namely with a console in the form of a large tablet. The pilot is able to view, track and target multiple long-range targets generated by a single tactical monitor frame with a touchscreen display 10-pinch zoom measuring 19 inches. Another outstanding feature of the F/A-18 Super Hornet Block 3 is that it has a conformal fuel tank mounted above the fuselage. With conformal fuel tanks, this fighter jet can carry an additional 3,976 liters of fuel so as to reduce air resistance, thereby enabling the aircraft to operate longer, faster and carry more payload. Furthermore, the U.S. Navy will gradually develop the Super Hornet fleet to be able to operate 540 units of F/A-18 Super Hornet Block 3. This fighter jet is the backbone of the U.S. Navy's air superiority. For information, Boeing has received a contract last year worth $4 billion for multi-year procurement, 78 units of F/A-18 Super Hornet Block 3, consisting of 61 units of the single-seat variant, F/A-18E, and 17 units of the tandem seat variant, F/A-18F. It is known that in 2024, Boeing will ship all orders to completion. The Eurofighter Typhoon fighter jet was designed and built by a consortium of European countries formed in 1983. In terms of design, this fighter jet resembles other modern European fighters such as the French Dassault Rafale and the Swedish Saab Gripen. Due to its combination of agility, stealth facilities and modern systems, it is widely seen as a great fighter. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a delta-wing fighter jet made in 4 countries, capable of seeing beyond sight, BVR, close-range air superiority fighter, with surface attack capability, and can operate for a long time, until 2040. The Eurofighter already has supercruise capability, can penetrate the speed of Mach 1 without using afterburner. The Eurofighter is equipped with 2 Eurojet EJ200 engines, each delivering thrust from 90 kN at reheat full and 60 kN in dry power mode. In general, this fighter jet is capable of carrying weapons such as the Mauser BK-27 revolver cannon with 150 rounds and several missiles. Reporting from Aircraft Compare, Tuesday, the 21st of July 2020, the price of the Eurofighter Typhoon in Europe ranges from $58 to $70 million per unit. Meanwhile, for exports outside Europe, the price reached $124 million or around Rp. 1.84 trillion, exchange rate of Rp. 14,800. Prices can be much higher, depending on additional system features and other equipment in the aircraft, includes a number of weapons packages attached to the aircraft. Lockheed Martin and Boeing, as well-known U.S. aircraft manufacturers, were given the authority to make the stealth aircraft. Reporting from the U.S. Air Force website, the F-22 Raptor stealth fighter jet is 18.9 meters long and 5.1 meters high. The length of the wingspan is around 13.6 meters. The F-22 Raptor is powered by two Pratt & Whitney F119P W100 turbofan engines, which can go at a speed of 2,560 km per hour or Mach 2. For armament, the F-22 Raptor is equipped with one 20mm M61A2 cannon with 480 rounds, internal side weapons bay which can carry two AIM-9 infrared air-to-air missiles. In addition, there is also an internal main weapons bay for the transport of 6 AIM-120 radar-guided air-to-air missiles.